Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming essentials: your Apple ID credentials, device model, iOS version, and active payment method. Once done, make a full backup to iCloud or a computer so you can revert if needed. Next, close the App Store and any pending downloads, then disable VPN and connect to a stable Wi-Fi. This prevents verification timeouts. Make sure you can receive Apple ID verification codes on a trusted device or phone number before proceeding to the next step. You now perform the core fixes. Sign out of your Apple ID in Settings, then sign back in and request a fresh verification code sent to your trusted device or phone number. While waiting, update iOS and the App Store. Updates often resolve verification protocol mismatches. If the app still shows verification required, delete and reinstall it. Also check device date and time accuracy, and reset network settings if certificates or connections appear blocked. This clears many middle-stage failures. To finish, verify any pending transactions in wallet or payment settings, then retry the download or update. Successful payment confirmation often clears the verification flag. If it still fails, collect device logs and contact Apple support so they can inspect your account and server responses. As a final troubleshooting tip, change your DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 and reboot. Sometimes certificate checks succeed on alternate resolvers. Keep a backup of settings so you can undo changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.